This is the American Hard Assets Market Minute. I'm your editor, Ryan Kazimierski, and today we're joined by Merit Gold's Executive Vice President, Mike Getlin. Mike, the market's been pretty stagnant for gold and silver recently, more towards the down than anything. What is the market waiting on for its next move, either up or down?
Well, the market has digested last week's announcement that there won't be any tapering, at least immediately. Now we've got to back in this kind of deer in the headlights where the market's really looking for direction. You're seeing the same thing really in stocks as well. The next big question is going to be how effectively Washington manages to resolve this debt ceiling and short-term spending crisis that is now upon us. So that's really going to be the next driver, I think, and we should start to see that come to life more later in the week.
Talking about where we are with that, what kind of things are we looking for? Are we looking for like a firm resolution? Would an extension affect the market? Would any of that kind of play into where we're headed up, either up or down from there?
Well, right now, both stocks and gold markets, it looks like, are anticipating some sort of a meaningful resolution will be reached. In terms of what will happen if that's not the case, frankly, the only template we really have is 2011, when you had a very strong correlation between stocks and gold throughout the whole year. If you look back at 2011's charts, you'll notice the Dow is up about 9% year-to-date in July. Gold was up about 10%. They were moving almost one for one through the majority of the year. And then all of a sudden, when the debt ceiling debate hit, and it occurred to investors that stock valuations are very much dependent on the government's ability to fix these problems, whereas gold is not, you saw the Dow shed 1,900 points while gold made an all-time high. So this debt ceiling debate really does have the potential to drive edge between stocks and gold, which would really solve if it does not have the negative correlation it needs to stocks and bonds.
All right, Mike. Well, I appreciate your time, and I hope to talk to you again next week.
All right, thanks. Talk to you later.
All right, thank you.
All right.